If you're considering or recently purchased an Endurance vehicle protection plan, you may notice there's a short waiting period before coverage becomes active. Here's how it works. Like most vehicle service contracts, Endurance plans include a waiting period before repair coverage begins. The exact timing can vary by plan, but it's typically 30 to 60 days and 500 to 1,000 miles from the date of purchase. Your specific waiting period will always be outlined in your contract. It's important to know that the waiting period only applies to repair coverage. At Endurance, many additional services are available from day one. This includes roadside assistance services like towing, fuel delivery, and lockout assistance. You will also have access to elite benefits free for the first year, which includes tire repair or replacement, windshield repair, key fob replacement, and more. The waiting period also gives you time to review your contract and understand your coverage. You can explore your benefits, learn how to start a claim, and sign up for the Endurance customer portal so you have convenient access to your plan wherever you go. Once the waiting period ends, your repair coverage becomes fully active and ready when you need it. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.
Drive on Endurance.